Greetings, my precious viewers. Here is Nicola from nnweb.net. Welcome to the new tutorial about OceanWP theme. After the two videos about OceanWP Customizer, it is time to show you how to create this nice footer area in our website. So I use this pink color for the tutorial purposes because I need some content to show you our footer with this nice parallax effect. Without further ado, let's get going to today's project. Okay, here I have the installation of WordPress with the OceanWP theme, and I'm going to create one new page and set my default settings for OceanWP pages. And I think that if you are already watched my tutorial, you know how to do that. Now, to save some time, I will speed up this process. But if you don't know how to do that, please slow down the speed of your YouTube player and you will see how. This is a very short procedure. Okay. Now let's go to the customizer. Let's wait a few minutes to open it and go to our widgets. In footer 1, let's add our custom logo. But we need to add our logo here. In header, in logo, I already uploaded. You can use your own. Okay, this is our logo in our footer. Footer 1. Next is text. Let's add some text. Here you can type text, edit. Let me copy text from another screen. Okay. And last one is social icons. Let's remove follow us. Style will be simple. This is okay. Setup, font size 24 pixel. And add Twitter. Of course, you can put your links to your social links to your social network accounts. Here we have a Twitter, then Facebook, Pinterest, and I think we have YouTube. Okay. And now let's change the color hover for our image. This will be the pink color, the shade which you see on the start of this video. You see. Okay. Let's go to the footer 2. And here we can add the contact info. Let's copy the text. For my footer, I'm going to use font awesome icons and just use all my icon classes which I'm using, or you can go to font awesome website, go to icons. Let me show you. here, and you can find many icons here. For example, let's type pin, just like for our first icon. Click on wanted icon and just type this class here to our customizer. Here I'm using FA map pin. Let's type my address. Let's change icon for phone. Let's change phone number. You can choose your own. This is only for tutorial purposes. Now let's change the icon for mobile. The number will be the same. Never mind. If you don't want, for example, this section here, just remove all of this text and the section will disappear. Let's change icon for mail. Okay, and I don't want my website here and Skype also. If you want to delete the whole section, just click here to delete, and where to find a section will be gone. Okay, just for to save our time and our project so far, click here on publish to save our work, and let's go on footer 3. Let me see in another screen what we get here. What we have here, we have Instagram. Okay, for example, this is my hashtag. We need 10 numbers, 10 images here, and image style we are going to change to style 2, but you have 4 style here and 10 columns. Okay, let's use style here. Also, again, you can use your own, what you want actually. Okay, photo size is small, display header. Okay, this settings is okay. Then let's go to the footer 4, and here let's add newsletter. Wait, mail, yeah, MailChimp. Okay, this is our text. Input width will be 11 pixel. You see when you type 11, the newsletter pop up here. Okay, this settings is okay. Click on publish, and now let me see where you can change the primary color for your site. But if you already watched, I think, yes, my 2 tutorials about WordPress customizer, actually OceanWP customizer, then you know where to find this section. But let me show you again. Let's go here in general options, in general styling, and change the primary color. Also, we need to change the color for buttons, this here, theme buttons, and change background color to be this kind of shade, just like our logo. And hover, just put the 65 for transparency. Okay, and the last step, let's go to the Elementor to add pink background. Click here to edit page, edit with Elementor, and here add one section, enable full width, no gap, in style, let's change the background type to not this one. We need this kind of color. We need this kind of color. Okay. And in layout, in height, click fit to screen. Okay, click on update. And let's go here to in customizer again, but customizer for this page. Just wait a second. Let's go in permalink, click on customize, and here we already have applied our parallax effect, but let me show you how to enable it. Let's go on footer widgets. By default this is off, you see, and now let's activate it. Click publish. Okay, and let's go to see our page. How to create a little cake footer with nice parallax effect and the warm pink color. Okay guys, in next tutorial I will show you how to create another kind of footer but with Elementor, where you can save your footer just like template and use it through OceanWP theme settings. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. If you are new around here, please subscribe to my channel, give me support and leave the thumbs up for this video if you like it. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.